My name is Coin Suris, and I'm glad to see you again. While Shiba Inus have recently broken out of extended territory, the cryptocurrency market is plunging into a tailspin. Additionally, the subsequent action could select all options. If you're into Shiba Inu or have Shib tokens, you absolutely must see this video. If there is any fresh information about Shiba Inus, what is it? Plus, how does this whole thing affect the value of Shiba within you? Watch this video and I'll answer all your questions and fill you in on the latest cost-supporting information regarding Shiba Inu. Please be sure you watch this movie all the way to the end so you don't miss any of the information that I have carefully researched and included. On the start of spring, shouldn't we look at the outline to check how much Shiba is costing? With a 24-hour trading volume of $164 million, the cost of Shiba News packages is currently 4% lower at roughly 1,396 units. The token is now ranked as the 19th most important cryptocurrency, with a market worth of around $5.7 billion. Please keep in mind that some prices may have changed by the time you watch this video. Do not take this material as financial advice. Take a look at our updated authority wire redirection using the depicted connection as well. There was a lot of criticism over the gathering, and we included some free stuff that was really valuable. We should now begin the current video. A substantial investment of $3.49 million from Pepe shifts focus to Shib and other coins. According to data compiled by a blockchain research firm, a large whale made $3.49 million after selling all 1.97 trillion Pepe tokens they owned for $6.07 million. The assets were subsequently redistributed across many alternative cryptographic money forms, including as the Sandbox, Fresh Decentraland, and Shiba, a crucial portfolio put back into balance. The whale's redistribution strategy appears to be meticulously planned, with purchases distributed across various emerging and established computerized monetary systems. Specifically, the investor needed $74.9 billion in case tokens for $893,000. This is a common practice for large-scale investors who want to diversify their holdings in the cryptocurrency market. This way, they may take advantage of the incredible opportunities that each coin may provide. It is clear from this redistribution how the investors want to handle the distribution of projects across different types of cryptographic money, from main currencies to tokens that underpin virtual worlds in decentralized gaming settings. Exchanges reach all-time highs, while Shiba's new price surges 422%. Digital currency with a canine motif, the volume of whale exchanges on Shiba Inu has surged 422%, the most it has been in nearly a year. The massive Shiba Inu exchange volume, which shows whale movement, has increased trade by 422.58%. According to the block information, this is equivalent to $374.98 million in fiat currency and an astounding 28 trillion Shib in terms of digital money in the last 7 days. This has been the most important. Notably, the yearly high for enormous exchange volume has been reached by Shiba Inu, with 28 trillion Shib preserved as of now. The most recent event to witness such a massive volume of exchange was WAC 2023. Several metrics illustrate the influx of whale activity, such as massive holder net streams, up 5,470% from the previous level, and massive holder inflows, up 15,593%. Major jumps in holdings increased by 11,508%, nearly matching inflows. Heavy buying activity is typically indicated by large inflows of holders, whereas outflows indicate that supports are departing whale addresses. Because large holders may contribute resources for cover credits and avoid liquidation during periods of high uncertainty, surges are common. The net stream for spring holders is 5,470% higher than before, which indicates that inflows have more than cancelled out surges and is likely due to whales' increased collection efforts. Good news! Blockchain wallet digression has announced that Shiba and the new layer 2 Shibarium have been successfully reconciled into the Tangen cold wallet. If you could keep an eye on it the whole time, that would be fantastic. If you could, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. In addition to helping sustain the channel, it doesn't cost anything. Whatever the case may be, Keep watching to find out what the latest Shiba Inu developments are and what the future may hold for the Shiba Inu coin. She cost floods with a 30,000% increase in consumption rate in the new cost gigantic meeting on the skyline. The cryptocurrency market is buzzing with activity, with the Bitcoin price soaring beyond $61,000. Another bull run has begun, sending Shiba to new heights. She has gained an astounding 43.5% in the past 30 days, in addition to 23.2% today, 41.4% this week, and 43.2% overall. Plus, with a 6.8% increase since February 2023, it's finally in the black for the year. In addition to capturing the attention of the crypto industry, she is causing disruptions with a staggering 30,000% increase in its consumption rate. Shiba Inu's cost reached 1,400 units, and this flood coincides with late local area endeavors to boost the currency's tokenomics, which causes a significant surge. Crypto fever is on the rise, and sheep are gaining weight, in accordance with data from the Shutter and Consume trackers. At this very moment, 3.75 million sheep tokens have been destroyed due to the fresh flood of 30,187% consumption rate. Reducing the coin supply and increasing support from merchants and investors is undoubtedly a better course of action. There are currently 500 trillion coins in circulation, with a total supply of around 410.7 trillion sheep tokens. Talks on sheep ETFs will follow. Concerned about the token's conformity with the Howey test, the Unwavering Sheep local area has asked Grayscale chief Michael Sonnen-Chien to look into a sheep ETF. There will be fewer bureaucratic hurdles to jump, which means more people will be able to invest in sheep. Now we get to the meat of the video. Shiba Inus have the potential to flood 800%. A Shiba Inu suddenly becomes a top performer in the middle of a crypto money bull run in just 7 days, displaying extraordinary trading metrics that outstrip its peers. The positive sentiment that has been sweeping the cryptocurrency industry over the past day has caused the price of piles to surge by over 27%. During this period, there have been spikes of double digits for certain optional coins. The extraordinary trading volume of BOSS, which has poured to over $1.5 billion in the past 24 hours, is one of the great indicators of investor enthusiasm in the company. This avalanche of activity is in line with Parcel's market value, which has surpassed $8 billion, marking its highest point since May 2023. This success suggests that Stack's market cap will increase from its November lows. In the middle of 800% convention expectations, positive thought takes off. The Shiba's revitalized vitality is spreading to uncharted territory as the project's value initiatives progress, and speculation is rife over an imminent 800% surge in the next week, which might herald the 2021 bull run. As Bitcoin experiences increased activity, the wider market has been dominated by sheep, which has seen a 23.5% increase during the past few hours. Bitcoin has gained 9% and Ethereum has gained 5.43%, which is rather interesting. During a comparable period, Lucy, a prominent member of the crypto community, mentions Shiba's remarkable progress, especially in the absence of key consumes. She anticipates the direction of the tokens, especially with the intermittent consumes, and is currently experiencing an 800% flood, which would spur sheep shedding to zero and lead to another uncharted high. Pile's development potential from progressive consumers and expanding interest are the driving forces behind the verifiable information that suggests such a deluge is possible. To summarize, the 800% flood risk for sheep 7 days shows that you're getting more and more invested in the project. In a market where trading metrics and capitalization are strong, she continues to serve as a meeting place for investors interested in high learning opportunities in the cryptocurrency market, because they have trust in the Shiba, your designers, and this present reality value sheep. Many of our endorsers have stated that they will not sell sheep for the next 5 years. Tell me how many people are holding on to your hand. In the comments section below, take sure to detail all of your sheep stuff. How about we give praise to the shepherd who held the sheep for being both willing and able to trust? If you're enjoying the video, please, if it's not too much bother, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the feed, and share your thoughts on the new Shiba token in the comments. If you'd like to be notified whenever we upload a new video, you may turn on the post warnings. A Bitcoin split is imminent. Additionally, the value of Shiba will be significantly impacted in the future as a result of the Bitcoin split. Watching this video right now is something I highly recommend. With that, the video is complete. As always, I'd like to buy in if it's not too much bother. Muchas gracias. Depart.